Hello everyone, welcome to another Open Cluster Management Community Meetings. Today is December 19th, 2025. On the agenda today, Kyujin is going to walk us through some of the release planning for our next release, OCM 1.2.0. Kyujin, feel free to take it away whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Uh, uh,
I have the link in the calendar if you need the link.
yeah, I'm trying to share. Uh, 1 minute.
I can see you open the Google Doc then.
Yeah. Uh, so, um, yeah, just 1 minute.
Let me know if you want me to restart the recording. It's not a big issue.
No, it's fine. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the right link. Okay, yeah. So I think we can discuss about the first thing is the release date. Of 1.2 and also I have put uh like these items in this um in the 1.2. So I think the major thing that we want to do in this release is the first thing is about v1 beta 1 API upgrade from add-on. Um, and There is some like we have merged the add-on design doc and we are starting to do something on the upgrade. There are some other issues relating to this API upgrade. For example, this one, the deprecate the install namespace. Um, I think we also want to starting the supporting the registration driver for add-on to resolve the bugs, including add-on support registration drivers in ISRA. Um, and so, yeah, I think that's the main thing. And there is some others I need to discuss with Young and Annie when they come back from the New Year's holiday about their plan for the manifest work replica set rolling out. I have put some uh, bugs that need to be fixed uh, in for the manifest work replica set and manifest work here. But I was trying to check with them on whether they'd like to um, how they'd like to include any enhancement proposal of manifest work replica set rolling out in this release. Um, so yeah, I think that's all. I think the first thing that I want to discuss is about the release date. I think the last one for 1.1 is October 23rd. Um, so I think maybe it's makes sense to put the release date as the end of January for 1.2. Um, but that will means we will have after the Chinese no after the New Year we will only have 1 month. Uh, But yeah, that's my thinking about the next release. Any additional thing that I'm missing or any comments on that?
Isn't it quite aggressive today, the end of January? Because assuming Young will be missing until like basically the second week of January,
Hmm.
and then they only have I don't know. I don't mind it, but I'm just worried they might not be able to get it done. Or maybe it's a good thing that they can do some of it and then leave some other stuff for the next release, kind of like divide it into two. I mean, do you think they can finish all the implementation in time?
I not sure we it is maybe it is not realistic. I think for so there are three enhancements for from them. One is um to enhance the manifest work uh to re like to watch the results and send the feedback based on not in a polling method but in a more like event-based method. I think that one is possible, and there's another one for the Go long like the rolling out plugin. It is possible also. But really depends on their I mean really depends on their plan. Um, Maybe it's not bad. I mean, we still can if we cannot catch up on 1.2, it can be in the next release.
I agree. I actually think if it's too big, then maybe it's actually better to have it in two releases. So it sounds good to me. The near end of January release date, because that will give us October, November, December, 3 months, right? It seems
Yes.
like a it seems like a good time. Yeah.
Yeah, let me just put a proposed date here at a proposed here. Uh, yeah. So we can just put here and let we confirm and made the final decisions after at the January. Is that okay?
What do you all think? I think it sounds fine to me. Are we thinking of doing everything in this bucket?
I hope so. I actually I think someone is already in progress. There are someone that I'm not quite sure. For example, um, the configurable health check process porting classlet that was raised by uh Beijing previously. Um, and I think Ben has made some PRs already on the API repo to be able to configure it, but we haven't implemented in the in the controllers in OCM repo. So I think Ben previously has a PR, but it's quite a long time ago. So I will recheck with him on this. And there is someone's about. So this one is a major one for the all the manifesto replica set use case. Um, for this one, I really hope we can do like to provide a cluster profile credential plugin. Um,
Yeah, I would like that as well.
yeah, let me just put it to me and I can find if where to put it. So for the compliance test tool, um, I'm not sure whether Yang is here. Do you have any, do you think that we can do it in this time frame or?
Maybe not. We don't have a detailed plan for this one yet.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, yeah, just let me just remove it from here. And I think this is another to do one. I think this is a new one. Oh, not. It's a dog thing. So yeah, I think we can. This is a doc bug. So yeah, I think it can be fixed. So the only thing that is not unsure is this one. For this one, we probably should be able to do something. Um, so Yang, since you are working on this, are you going to have maybe you could create another issue about that, like token-based registration add-on, and you
Yeah,
this one.
yes.
Yeah, can I just assign this to you? This bug.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I think in general it looks fine. The only thing that is not quite sure is about manifest replica set part.
As in, how much can it be done, right?
Right,
We're sure some of it will probably get done.
right.
Okay. And we can tell them to sort out the priority as well, because they probably have their usage, like which one they want sooner and later.
Yeah.
I also put in the chat comment, the Zoom chat comment. There's an enhancement PR created by Ben. I think it's regarding the placement sorting. So I wonder if where we are at that.
Oh, let me check this one. It's been quite a while.
Yeah, because I feel like this has been something that was asked occasionally from the community. Like, why is the decision not sorted? That type of thing, or how we can make it into sort. Should we ask if he's still interested in working on this?
Yes.
Okay.
think so. Let me just put a note here.
Thank you.
And another thing I put in the Slack before, maybe I need to share the Slack. Give me 1 minute. So I shared here is about something about a spread policy proposal. Um, we do have this one in the API, but we never implemented it. So I don't know whether we should remove that because it makes some confusion. Like there is API, but it doesn't work at all. Um, I can think we can still wait after the new year and then decide whether it should be totally removed in the API.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, this is. Have we done something like this before, where we have it in the API, but then we end up not implementing, and then we decide to remove it later?
No, we don't, but I mean, because currently we don't have any plan on that.
Yep. Okay. No, that sounds fair. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
Okay, I'm stop sharing. Any questions?
No, that was great. Thank you again, Qicheng, for organizing or doing the release planning for the 1.2.0. Does anyone else have anything to share? Any comments, feedback, questions? If not, I hope everyone have a nice break during the winter. Of course, New Year's. So we're probably not gonna have the yeah. So the next community meeting is exactly on January 1st. So that one is canceled for sure. So the next time we see each other will be the January 15th, not including the office hours. Hope everyone have a great New Year. See you all next time. Take care, everyone.